Inspirada TV, Jeff Mix, homesinspirada.com. We are out here for an open house edition. Hazelburn. This one's 2554 Hazelburn. Amazing, amazing property. This just came on this week, I believe, and I was super excited to get out here because the backyard is amazing. So it's 3240 square feet, 1.425. The backyard's crazy. All right, so let me swap the camera around. All right, let's get, so super modern. Super modern. So 3240 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths plus a loft. But this yard is 13,000 square feet. So you know, by Inspirada standards, that's humongous. So 1.425. I'm going to step in. You know, we always do this. We'll have to edit this out. And this is JD with Is Luxury.
That's right. Welcome.
He's hosting the open house.
Welcome, welcome.
All right. We're just going to take our time through here. So this one you have a full bedroom down with the ensuite kind of connects through, but it would also be the shared bath for the downstairs. But 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, plantation shutters throughout. They upgraded this house to the max. So, and you'd see it's got the cool, smooth Venetian plaster style texture, which, you know, always more expensive. Super cool shower, Kohler sink. So the only carpet in this home is on the stairs. So, and it does have central vac. I'm even going to take you out to the garage because even that is amazing. So tankless water heater, all that good stuff. The upgraded rail, one of my favorites. But, you know, I'm going to save the backyard for last because I want to keep you watching this property. So 42-inch uppers with an extra stacked Gen Air, huge fridge, double ovens, cooktop, Gen Air cooktop, and look at gorgeous countertops. Farm sink. Even the nice roll-out garbage. I feel like this was the model. That's how upgraded it was.
They put every option. All the closets are custom, speakers throughout, fans, lights. They touched everything. Real popular.
All right. So 2 rows of sliders with the full pocket. Amazing outdoor kitchen, but again, we're saving that. And I normally don't do the garages, but when they're nice, you can't skip it. So 3-car garage, great built-ins. Whoa! Whoa! There's an extra step there. So tankless water heater, central vac, door out to the side yard, super high ceilings. All right, let's jump upstairs. You know, and when you only have carpet on the stairs, you can really upgrade that. Spend a fortune on it. But these rails really just make such a difference in making a place feel more open. So we have, this would be bedroom 2. You have the 6-inch baseboards. He did tell me that they were willing to do a paint credit because they have some touch up here that does not match. You can always watch my walkthrough horror video I did on a walkthrough that had huge paint issues. Check out this wall. So cool. So speakers throughout the home. So we're going to have dual sinks. Nice tile on that, the 12 by 24. So interestingly enough, okay, so laundry with a sink. This home was owned by the parents of Derek Carr, the quarterback from the Raiders. So I guess when you have a NFL player for a son, you can upgrade like nobody's business. So 9-foot ceilings up, 10 down. It gives such a feeling so much larger when you don't have just the 8-foot ceilings. So this would be the primary. Nice size too. And it, again, with the pocket sliders here, and city views. So good size TV. So built-ins in the closet. So separate water closet. So that'd be one closet here. It does kind of tuck back a little. And then this is closet 2. So huge double vanity. Soaking tub. Great walk-in shower. Right. And this will just be closet, pantry kind of deal. Well, linen closet. I guess it's up to you where you keep your potato chips. Okay. Let me get you out here. Humongous balcony. You know, I'm going to save that. So this pool is enormous. Hot tub, waterfalls. I'm not even sure if those are fire, but we'll get out there. I just wanted to give you this. And then the view. So you would have mountains, city, lights. So these are the Toll Brother condos, and these are the Tri-Point. So they're just finishing these out, both of these communities. Nearly finished. So Inspirada is going to have about 8,000 homes once completed, which I believe they're anticipating full build out by the end of next year. Of course, and further just across the street from those Toll Brothers is the property that is owned by Station Casinos. There's talk of Inspirada Station. However, that has been put on hold until February till they say anything with regards to it. Now, I heard that they're talking about doing a rebranding and losing the station in the name on all their properties, but what do I know? So check out this. I mean, this would be the life. Sundays, football, you know, that this time when preseason's ending and football starting, it's just, it's such a good time of year. You know that summer's almost over. So you have some natural grass here. Let me around the corner and show you this awesome side yard as well. So another fire feature over here, and then a humongous yard here. So anyhow, You want to see this property, just give me a call, and appreciate you watching. And please like and subscribe. We're really trying to grow our channel here, and I appreciate you watching.